Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the temperature sensor in your LG washer, you will need needle nose pliers and a drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the 2 screws on the top panel. Slide and lift the top panel off. Unthread the screw securing the right side of the control panel. Open the drawer and push down on the push tab and remove the detergent assembly. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the left side of the control panel. Pry the 3 tabs, then pull back and lift up to free the control panel. Pinch the retaining clip and free it from the frame. Insert the control panel into its grooves and push forward to snap in place. Rethread the 2 screws on the left side of the control panel. Align the detergent assembly and push in until it snaps into place. Rethread the screw on the right side of the control panel. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the sensor. Hold on to the metal plate for reinstallation. Unplug the sensor. To install the new temperature sensor, place the sensor in the drum, then bend the wire 180 degrees. Set the metal plate and rethread the screw to secure it. Rethread the screw to the retaining clip. Plug in the sensor. Snap in the retaining clip. Set and slide the top panel onto the washer. Rethread the 2 screws into the panel. Push the washer back into place. Plug the power cord back in. And your washer should be ready for use.